अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। कुछ व्यूवर्स की फरमाइश पर ये वीडियो मैं उर्दू और इंग्लिश में बना रहा हूँ। आप लोग कमेंट में बताइएगा कि मुझे फ्यूचर वीडियोस किस लैंग्वेज में बनानी चाहिए। तो इस वीडियो में हम कमरिया गए थे, जो लेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट से तकरीबन 1 घंटे की दूरी पर है। आगे की वीडियो में आप देखेंगे कुछ लेक्स जो कि लेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में वाक़ हैं। ये ड्रोन शॉट जो आप देख रहे हैं, ये मैंने हमारे कॉटेज से बनाया था, जो हमने हायर किया था हमारी रिहाइश के लिए। ये खूबसूरत नज़ारे, चारों तरफ ग्रीनरी से उधर से ही हैं। आगे की वीडियोस देखते रहिए और खूबसूरती को एंजॉय करिए, और मुझे कमेंट में बताइएगा ज़रूर कि वीडियोस उर्दू में बनाऊं कि इंग्लिश में। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Travel and Taste with Z. And today we are here in Cumbria, Watersmere. As you can see, the picturesque location behind me. Oh, such a beautiful. Wait till I show you the front. But yes, it's a beautiful location on the in the north side of England, and just between Scotland, or you can say just between Glasgow and Edinburgh and Manchester. So let me turn around, show you the view. You can see over here what a lovely view it is. Wow, such a picture, like beautiful location, serene, and it's so calm, full of nature around you. Weather is a bit cold over here. Well, it's not cold, it's windy, but so you can feel a bit cold, right? Because obviously it's a waterfall, it naturally has to be a bit cold. You can go around to a waterfall from there all the way. You can see there's a trail hike, and you can end up over there. I'll show you. There's people around there. There you go. They are near the waterfall. And but look at this. I mean, if you come out on a place like this, just full of greenery. There's no pollution around it. All the hustle bustle of your life, you leave that behind. Come over here and enjoy the nature. Guys, we are near one of the lake, and if you see what a nice location it is. It's a big hike you have to come around. It's going all the way here. Either you can go from here on the or from that side, and it takes you towards the lake. This is a path you have to follow all the way around from there, and it takes you to the lake, and you can sit down there, have a nice time in a nice lovely weather like this, where it's nice and sunny. And look at this location, mountain covered with clouds. Subhanallah, so nice, mashallah. And there's a river going right next to me, if you can see, natural spring water. I just drank it and it was so nice taste, tasty water, and it's so nice and cold as well.